Hi learners! Hello, I'm Dwi Jahantari and I'm from English Literature Study Program Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. So in this occasion, I will explain you a very interesting topic in grammar and it's called noun clause. So, without further ado, let's get started. Right. So in this occasion, I will explain you about first the definition of noun clause. Second is the types, and the last is the examples. Right. Let's start with the definition of noun clause. What is noun clause? Noun clause is a subclause that acts as subject or object. Subclause itself means that a clause that cannot stand alone as a sentence. What does it mean? It means that subclause need like more elements or other elements, how then it can create like perfect or complete sentence. And the formulation is conjunction, subject, and verb for the subclause. Okay, to make clear, I have examples here for the subject because subclause can be a subject and object. So I have two examples. First, let's start from subject. Here I have a sentence. What you hide is noun by them. As you can see here, you as subject, hide as verb, and what as is conjunction. So because it put at the beginning of a sentence and consists of conjunction, subject, and verb, so it's called subclause. And for the object, have a sentence, they know what you hide. It's like similar from previous example, but I put like what you hide at the end of the sentence, so it called subclause as object. So right. So let's continue to the types and an example of noun clause. So actually there are some types of noun clause, but in this occasion I'm just focusing on statement only. So for the statement we have the conjunction that we use. So here I have like the examples of the noun clause, a subject and object. So let's discuss. I have a sentence. The star is beautiful. It changed become that the star is beautiful is a fact. As you can see here, that is a conjunction. This star is subject is as a verb. And because the formulation is true and it put at the beginning of the sentence, so it called noun clause it at the noun clause as subject. So the green one is the subject and the blue one is the verb. So let's continue. Noun clause as object. So here I have a sentence. She can speak English. It changed become I know that she can speak English. Right. As you can see here. That we use the conjunction that, right? So she become a subject and then speak become verb, English become object, yeah, and then that is conjunction. The formulation is true, and the formulation is true, and it put at the end of the sentence. So it called noun clause as object. So I hope that it can helps you when you are confused what is noun clause. Actually, we can use it in our daily life or in our daily conversation, and I think it's quite interesting. So I think enough. Thanks for your attention. See you guys.